So hello guys, look, this is a heavy rain in here. Look, and look down. There's so much water. So let's go up. Look, there's so much water. It even spilled here. And look, I'm going up. So right here is the upper part. Look from here. Look the pond. Look, and look there. It is just like flood before. And look the trees, they are growing. And look that. Can you see that? Guess that vegetable. Guess that vegetable. And look, the pond again. Yeah, a water drop. One missing. I want to get water. Ah, 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 ah. Why the water game is so hard? I only get 3 drops. What? More up, but be careful. Look this. It's so dirty. And look right here. And look, right here there is so much water. And look here. Look that tree. Can you see something there? Look, and guess that thing. And I will tell you both names in the ending. Let's go. Look, how beautiful it is. A view from here. Look, guess that again. Look, there is so many. And look the flowers, guess that too. Look, there's so many of them. They're getting wet. And look there. That just looks like a water slide. And look at the plants. This one is kind of colorful. And I hope you enjoyed the vlog. That one was coconut. And this one, guess yourself. And bye. And like and subscribe too.